We begin by clicking on the cell that contains the text we want to adjust. Once the cell is selected, we move to the Home tab and focus on the alignment group where the indentation tools are located. These options allow you to shift text within a cell without changing the actual content. To increase indentation, click on the Increase Indent button, which is marked with a right-pointing arrow. As soon as you click it, the text inside the cell moves slightly to the right. Each additional click increases the indentation further, giving you control over how far the text is pushed inward. This is useful when you want to show hierarchy, such as main items and sub-items, or simply add spacing for better visual clarity. The same approach works for more than one cell. If you want to indent several cells at once, select multiple cells together and then click the Increase Indent button. Excel will apply the same indentation level to all selected cells, saving time and keeping formatting consistent across your data. Indentation is not permanent, and you can easily adjust or remove it whenever needed. To reduce or completely remove indentation, select the cell that contains indented text and return to the Home tab. This time, use the Decrease Indent button, which is marked with a left-pointing arrow. Each click moves the text back toward the left. By clicking it repeatedly, you can fully remove the indentation and return the text to its original position.